Hey folks, this is Phil. It's Sunday afternoon, about 2 o'clock. I got my pockets full of bottles of hot sauce, and we're headed into the best restaurant in Lauderdale County, Shaffer's Happy Holla Marina Grill. We're going to eat some great food and test a lot of hot sauces. So join me, and let's see what's happening. Hey there. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. It's AlabamaHotSauce.com on the web. We are at Shaffer's Happy Holla Marina Restaurant. It's Sunday afternoon, and pardon the music in the background, but this is just the vibe of this place. Anywhere from 8 to 15 guys get together every Sunday. They play music, and it's good music. But we're here for great food and hot sauce. This is my friend Don. This is his wife Stephanie. This is Steve, his wife Denise. And we got some Rehab Fresno, Smoking Japones, and our brand new one, Two Pepper Pickles. So my friend Don loves Rehab Fresno, so I will give him that bottle.
It's not very hot.
Don mixes his hot sauce with all of his condiments.
Yeah. Ranch. Especially ranch.
Ranch dressing. He loves it with ranch dressing. And I can actually get in this. I'm just a little slow.
God, I went paid.
Now this is
I went paid 40.
Two Pepper Pickles. Look at this.
I still got one.
It has a rather unique taste.
Well,
There's two different kinds of
he ought to give
peppers
you at least 10 to 15,000 miles for that
and
sandwich.
pickles, and so I'm loading it up.
Yeah, I could use some Delta Airline miles.
I was just telling Don, that project we got, there's some
And I'm going to see how this is.
some of our vendors that let you pay with a credit card. So once I get the draw,
Look at the size of the hamburger. This is the best food in our county, without question. The steaks are better than our finest steakhouses. The fish are better than the fish on the Gulf Coast. The hamburger is by far the best in around. So I'm going to go in for the first bite. Wow. This is delicious.
About 60,000.
That Two Pepper Pickles pretty hot.
I don't even know why they're
Wonderful.
I'm not sure I'm going to do.
Don? How's Rehab Fresno?
With I'm going to put it in my ketchup. Delicious. It's not real hot. It's got a good little taste. Got a good taste to it.
Oh, it's great.
It's great. Wonderful.
Now, this is Smoking Japones. It's made out of a dried mix of Japones peppers. I'm going to put this on my French fries.
I'd be nervous with
Matter of
three
fact,
boys in that little bitty bowl.
I'm going to take the limiter off and just
I think I'd be worried about
pour it on.
They'll get water real quick.
I had me a little flat bottom.
That's delicious.
It is good.
What I love the other day. remember one time I was fishing and casting, reeling in, casting, and I cast one time, and that whole thing came out of my hand. And here I go in the water right after and got it.
You did?
Absolutely.
You know, our favorite little
I have
boat.
2 sauces on it.
What's that little boat we had? That little tiny boat.
You know, you're about 14 feet.
I mean, man, you could be out in
Two Pepper Pickles pretty hot.
Oh, I click it on who?
We'll be back with you in just a minute.
I already got
Show you some more activities at the wonderful Shaffer's Happy Hollow Marina Restaurant. Be right back.
You'll see, boys. Little Hank Williams favorite. Well, good God, Joe, me down to go, me oh my dear. Me down to go to people down to go. My home street is warm and neat. Us covered the bone bleeder fabric all over. Yeah, some old telephone line coffee's happy gumbo. Always tonight I'm gonna see my share of New York. Can't get out, give to each other and be jail. All's fun in the gun, we'll pass it fun on the back. Take us away, Mom. People this way, I want to steal if you call. Keep it up, found know the place is first. Kim folks come see born by the limousine. Dress in style, go home one, me oh my kid. Oh, son of a gun, we'll have to fun all night. They'll jump like off this party and gumbo. Oh, tonight I'm gonna see I'm spending me. Big tip part, feel each other every day. Love it, drummer. So we done, we'll have it fun all the while. Make it you, mama. Brother did on electric guitar. Settle down, for the time and get me a beer. I'm gonna catch all the fish in the body. And my ball, I ain't gonna watch you need. All phone we're gonna with a the fun all right. Everybody was instead of loud, I ain't gonna go. All me now and I'm gonna see my shirt and me. Kick guitar, feel good door and be jail. All stuck together with a hand and fall on the way. Like it in it. Like it's lit on one here. That's that grand old opera show right there. Settle back for the time and be a hero. I'm gonna catch a fish in the body. Eat my mom, the body bone, wash your needle. Most of the gun will have it while on dial. Well, jump on line, cause it's fine, ain't young dog. All tonight I'm gonna see my shadow real. Kick guitar, feel home job here in my get for you. Sing it up, we'll have it fun all night. One song of a young little heart, fun all night. So much.
like Elvis.
All right, folks, we're back with you. Everybody's eating and having a blast.
Different atmosphere. I don't think this type of atmosphere.
That's a country club.
Yeah.
Getting you on video, Steve.
What's up?
This food is pretty hard to beat. Denise, what kind of steak you got, Denise? She's got a filet.
Are we doing okay?
We're doing wonderful.
Good.
Food is great.
Good.
What days are y'all on?
Right now we're only open Friday through Sunday, but normally we're open Thursday through Sunday, 11 to 7.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Right now it's Friday.
Yeah. Just because it was so cold and all that stuff. We're having a lot of it.
All right.
Hey, folks, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, folks, thank you for joining me. If you would, push the logo on the screen and subscribe to our channel. In addition, I've made a couple of video suggestions that I think you might enjoy. Press the links and give them a try. Again, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.